These are some relation between the fractions and percentages. So 1 by 2 is equal to 50%. Okay. Similarly, 1 by 3 is equal to 33.33%, or we can, in the fraction form, it is 33 1 by 3%. 1 by 4 is 25%. 1 by 5 is 20%. 1 by 6 is 16 2 by 3%. Okay, 1 by 7 is equal to 14 2 by 7%. Okay, 1 by 8 is 12 1 by 2%. 1 by 9 is equal to 11 1 by 9%. Then 1 by 10 is equal to 10%. 1 by 11 is equal to 9 1 by 11%. 1 by 12 is equal to 8 1 by 3%. 1 by 13 is equal to 7 9 by 13%. 1 by 14 is equal to 7 1 by 7%. 1 by 15 is equal to 6 2 by 3%. And 1 by 16 is equal to 6 1 by 4%. 1 by 20 is equal to 5%. 1 by 25 is equal to 4%, and 1 by 50 is equal to 2%. Now you might be thinking, I have not written 1 by 17, 1 by 18 and all, but because those are not so important, the fractions which I have mentioned here are of, these fractions only are very much used, and they will be only very much useful, so for solving the problems. Okay. So first we'll solve some simple problems using this percentage and fraction relation. Okay. Then we'll go on increasing the complexity. Okay. First we'll go with the small problems. Okay. Now for example, 16% of 175. Okay. So how we do this? Now 16 is a multiple of 4. We know this. How much it is? 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4% you can say. It is a multiple of 4. Now, if we know that 4% is nothing but 1 by 25. Okay. So, 4% is 1 by 25. Then, this 4 gets multiplied with the fraction also. Okay. When it is getting multiplied with the percent, it gets multiplied with the fraction part also. So, this 16% can be written as 4 by 25 directly into 175. 25 ones are 25 sevens are. Okay. So 4 sevens are 28 is the answer. So within one simple step we got the answer. Okay. Instead of doing 16 by 100 into 175 and all, if we know this fraction relation, directly we can substitute the fraction in place of percentage, and we can find out the answer. Okay. We'll take one next problem. So 144% of 275. Okay. This looks pretty complex. Next, we can see 144 is also a multiple of 4. Isn't it? It goes by 4 by how many times? 4 3s are 12. 2 remains. 4 6 are 24. Okay. So it is 36 times of 4%. 144 is 36 times of 4%. So we know 4% means 1 by 25. 1 by 25 multiplied with 36 means 36 by 25 into 275. 144% is nothing but 36 by 25 in fraction form. Okay. How we got that? With this, or with 4%. Okay. So directly if you substitute 36 by 25, what we can get? 25 ones are 25, ones are 25, 2 will remain, 25, ones are 25. So now 36 into 11, 11 6 are 66. 11 3s are 33 plus 6 is 39. So 396. Okay. So what is 144% of 275? It is 396. Within one simple step, we got the answer. And this happens when we remember the fraction, okay, of the related percentage. Okay. We'll see some more problems. Next, 34% of 450. Now, first see, it is a multiple of what? Okay, it can be the multiple of 2. Yes, 17 twos are, so it is 17 times of 2%. Now, 2% means we know it is 150. So, I can say it is 17 by 50. It gets multiplied with 1 by 50. That means it is 17 by 50 directly into 450. We can write here. Then 5 ones are, 5 nines are, 17 nines are will be 153. So, 34% of 450 is 153. Isn't it simple if we know the fractions? Next, 272% of 350. Okay, 272% of 350. Then again you can think of the multiple of this. Multiple of this will be 4% you can take. So it is 4 6 are 24, 3 will remain. 4 8s are 32. Yes, 68 times, isn't it? So 68 times of 4%. 4% is nothing but 1 by 25. So it will get multiplied 68 into 1 by 25. That is nothing but 68 by 1 by 25. 68 into 1 by 25 is nothing but 68 by 25. Why 25? Because it is the 4% fraction, isn't it? 68 into 4% is 274. 272%. So 68 into 1 by 25 will be 68 by 25. And write this 350. Okay. Then 5 5s are 5 or you can directly take with 25. 25 ones are 10 will remain. 25 4s is 100. Okay. Then 68 into 14 directly you can do. Yes. This will be 952. When you multiply 68 into 14, it is 952. Okay. Within one simple step, you got the answer. Okay. We'll see some more problems. Now, one simple problem we'll take, this is last one, and then we'll increase the complexity. So, 62% of 850. Okay. Then, now see, this is a multiple of what? It cannot be a multiple of 4. It can be a multiple of 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are. So, that means 31 times of 2%. 2% means 1 by 50. So, 31 into 1 by 50 will be 31 by 50. Into 850. 0 0 cancels. 5 1s are 5. 17s are 17 ones are 17. So multiply with this. 17 3s are 51 plus 1 52. 527. Okay. Now we'll increase the complexity. These problems what we did were very simple. But if the percentages are very difficult. Now for example, we'll see the next problem, that is for 54 6 by 11 percentage of 132. Now is this easy to solve? With bringing this into proper fraction and then multiplying, it's a very difficult one, isn't it? But if you know these fractions, okay, this can be solved within some few seconds. How is that? Let us see. Now, when such mixed fractions are there, always see the denominator. Okay, denominator is 11 over here. So, that means this will be the multiple of 1 by 11. Okay, 1 by 11 is here. Okay, now 1 by 11 is nothing but 9 1 by 11 we know percent. Now, to travel from 9 to 54, how much it is? Into 3, into 6, 9 6 are 54. Okay, that means it will get multiplied with the fraction part also. Okay, that is 9 6 are 54. Then 1 by 11 into 6 is nothing but 6 by 11. Yes. So when anything is getting multiplied LHS side, the same will get multiplied in the RHS side also. So this is nothing but getting multiplied here. So it is 6 by 11. So that means 54 6 by 11% can be written as 6 by 11. Okay. This is nothing but equal to this. Okay. Now directly we can say 6 by 11 into 132. 11 ones are 11. Again 11 twos are 22. So 12 6 are 72. So within simple step we got the answer. How was this possible? By remembering the fractions. Now 54 6 by 11, see, looking at that only we get scared. How to solve this? But no need of getting scared. This we can solve it if we know the fraction relationship. So 54 6 by 11% is nothing but, since there is a 11 in the denominator, you should think that it will be a multiple of 11. So 1 by 11 we know it is 9 1 by 11%. So 9 1 by 11 is nothing but 54 6 by 11%. Okay. Now always when you are multiplying with this thing, you cannot multiply it only with the integer. It should always get multiplied with the fraction part also. Now for example, we'll clear it with little more. 9 1 by 11 can be written as 9 plus 1 by 11. This is nothing but LCM, you will get 11 into 11. So 11 9s are 99 and plus 1. This is 100 by 11, isn't it? If you write it in mixed fraction, how you will write? 11 9s are 99, 1 will remain, and by 11 as it is, isn't it? 100 by 11 is nothing but 9 1 by 11. That means 9 1 by 11 is nothing but 9 plus 1 by 11. So when you are multiplying with 6, okay, when you are multiplying with 6, you have to multiply for the whole thing, not only for the integer. So 6 9s is 54 and 6 1 into 11 will be 6 by 11. Okay. So this 54 plus 6 by 11 is nothing but 54 6 by 11. Okay. When 9 1 by 11 can be splitted as 9 into plus 1 by 11, the splitted form also can be written in this form. We are splitting here and we are joining here. Okay. यहाँ तोड़ना और यहाँ जोड़ना. Okay. Some 2 more problems we'll solve, then you will understand how useful the fractions will, remembering the fractions will be for solving the problems. Okay. Next, 23 1 by 13% of 78. Okay, 23 1 by 13% of 78. So looking at this we get scared. Oh, how to bring it in proper fraction and then solving? No need. If you remember the fraction, it will be easy. So how is that? We know that denominator is 13. So it will be in the multiple of 1 by 13. Okay. So we know that 1 by 13 is nothing but 7 9 by 13. This you have to by heart. Okay. Then what will be the relation between 7 and 23? You have to somewhere, if not completely multiple, you have to at least find the approximate multiple. Okay. So 7 traveling by 3 times we can reach somewhere 21. Yes. So this will be the multiple of 3, that is 7 plus 9 by 13. We'll see that how it can be done into 3. So 3 will get multiplied with 7 also and with the fraction part. 3 7s are 21 plus 3 9s are 27 by 13. Now as I told you, don't join it together and write 27 by 13. This is wrong, because in mixed fraction Okay, in a mixed fraction, numerator should always be less than the denominator. But here numerator is more. So what we can do this? We can split this. How? 13 2s are 26. 1 will remain and divided by 13. And this 21 is as it is. Now add the integer parts. 21 plus 2 is 23 and 1 by 13 is as it is. Isn't it? We got no? Same 23 1 by 13. Okay. So when you are multiplying into 3 on the LHS side, into 3 should be done in the RHS side also. That is into 3 here. So directly, if you know the fractions, no need of writing all these things. Okay. Directly what we can do? 23 1 by 13 means it is somewhere related to, you should think in your mind, 7 9 by 13s. 7 is approximately nearer to multiple of what? It is into 3. So directly you should write 3 by 13. Okay. Into 78 as it is. 13 ones are 13. 6 are. So 3 6 are 18 is your answer. Okay. This will come by practice. Okay. Don't think that how we will by heart and all. As you go on practicing more and more problems, you will remember. As soon as you see 13 in the denominator, you will think that multiple of 13, it will come in multiple of 13 and 1 by 13 value is 7 9 by 13 and you can solve it easily. Okay. So we'll see one more problem. 57 1 by 7% of 147. Okay. So when we see this, you should remember that it is somewhere the multiple of 7. So 1 by 7 percentage was what? 1 by 7 is 14. 2 by 7 percentage. Now what is the relation between 14 and 57? How much you can travel? Into 3 sevens are? No. You have to travel it with 4 times. 4. Yeah, 4 times. Approximately you will get 56. So it is here also multiply by 4. So this will be directly 4 by 7 you can write. So means when you multiply with 4, in percentage wise you will get this. When you multiply percentage, you will get this percentage. But in fraction form, directly you can write it as 4 by 7. Means this percentage is equal to 4 by 7 fraction. Okay. So 4 by 7 we got into 147. 7 ones are 7, 2s are 7 ones are. So 21 4s are is 84. Okay. So how is this? If you want, we'll do one step and see. See here. I told you all we can write it as 14 plus 2 by 7. Now, what is the relation between 14 and 57? Approximately into 4 we can do. So 14 4s are is 56 plus multiply here also 4 2s are 8 by 7. I told directly don't join because numerator is more than denominator. Split the numerator. It is 56 plus 7 ones are 1 will remain. So it is this. Now add the integers. 1 plus 56 is 57 and keep the fraction as it is 1 by 7. Isn't it? So it is exactly 57 1 by 7. So when you multiply with 4 times this percentage, you will get this. And directly if you know this percent is equal to this fraction, directly we can take it as 4 by 7. No need of doing all these things. This is done for you to understand. Okay. We'll solve one last problem. (44) 4 by 9% of 270. Okay. Now, when you look at this, you can say it is in the multiple of 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is nothing but 11 1 by 9 percentage. So 11 how it will be related to 4? Into 4 if you do, isn't it? So that into 4 you have to do with the fraction part also. So directly you can say it is 4 by 9 into 270. 9 ones are 9 30s are. So The answer will be 120. Okay. If you want, you can check this also. 11 plus 1 by 9, isn't it? 11 by 9 is 11 plus 1 by 9 into 4, isn't it? 4 11s are 44 plus 4 into 1 by 9 is 4 by 9. Now we can directly join, isn't it? Because numerator is less than denominator. So 44, 4 by 9 we got, isn't it? So this percent is directly equal to 4 by 9 fraction. Okay, so that in the percentage we are substituting it with fraction so that the calculation is very easy. Okay. Okay, 37.5% of 380. Okay, find out this as a homework. Okay. Thank you.